Slow Play absolutely killed it when it came to this poker set. They are super, super nice. I've played poker my entire life. I know really good chips when I touch them, when I play with them, when I feel them. These ones, they did a phenomenal job. But as far as some of like the high level reasons why they're really nice, the weight, that 10 to 12 grams, right? They're made out of real ceramic. These are really, really nice. They're fired correctly. The weight is just perfect. And then on top of that, it has the 42 millimeter diameter, which this is like the legit, you're playing at the right, the casino, whatnot. This is what you'd be playing with as far as all the actual stats of it. Now, this case comes with ones, fives, 25s, 100s, got those flipped around, 500s, and 1,000. Now, you obviously have more of the more commonly used ones, and then it diminishes to when you get to the super high-end ones that you'd be using. But let's just look at the detail on some of these here. We'll look at the purple. Look at the actual detail on every single one. I love the fact that it's just perfect. There's no bleeding on the edges. It's just right there. Very, very well done. Same as the black. It's just super nice. And then once again, looking at the edges, you don't see any of the bleeding over. It's super nice. Now, I'm not super good as far as like doing the tricks and all that and flipping it, but these, if you know how to do that, these would work really well. The actual case is just as nice as the chips. This is a polycarbonate case that has a really nice foam, not just where the chips are at the bottom, but also on the top. So when you close this and you close this, correctly, there's no wiggle at all. I don't hear them wiggling at all, up, down, forward, back. So they're going to be kept very secure so that no chipping happens on your chips. It also comes with 2 decks, and these cards are very, very nice. They're very high quality, and in the end, they're cards. You're mainly buying this for the poker set as far as the chips, but they are great. And then it has this really sweet dealer chip, which is very, very nice, the dealer button. This thing is very heavy. I would show you the weight, try to as far as like dropping it on my table, but because of the quality and the density and the weight of it, I think it might chip because it's so heavy. But if you're doing this, it's perfect. But this has some serious weight to it. This is what it looks like on the back. Everything about this, as far as this is everything you need to be able to play Texas Hold'em, whatever that may be, whatever type of game you are playing, to be able to take it with you. And it also, watch this, when I lock it into place, if I want to, it can sit upright on the bottom. So it obviously has this handle, but on the bottom, it has these right here so that it's not going to be scuffing or scraping anything that you're setting it on. Now, me personally, I'm always going to set it like this because I just don't want it to fall over in case, someone bumps it. But Slow Play absolutely killed it when it comes to all of this. Love it. Hope you guys have a great time playing.